In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 16 by 9 videos in Sora 2. This process is straightforward, and with a little guidance, you'll have your stunning videos ready in no time. Let's dive right in and get started with the steps. First and foremost, you need to open Sora 2. This is the software where all your editing magic will happen. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to do so before proceeding. Once you have the application open, you'll be greeted with a main interface. It's quite intuitive, designed to make navigation simple and efficient, even for beginners. Now, it's time to choose the format for your video. Here, you have two options. You can either select landscape with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio for more traditional formats, like those seen in TV and computer screens, or opt for portrait, which is 9x16, perfect for mobile viewing. Since we're focusing on creating 16 by 9 videos, go ahead and select the landscape option. This will ensure your video is tailored to fit widescreen displays, offering a professional look suitable for platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. With the format selected, the next step is writing a prompt. Here, you're going to clearly describe the scene you envision. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for how your video will come to life. Take a moment to think about the scene's key elements, what the setting looks like, any specific actions happening within it, and the overall mood you want to convey. With a well-crafted prompt, you'll be able to guide the software to generate a scene that's closely aligned with your creative vision. After drafting your prompt, it's time to adjust the settings. This includes picking the quality, lighting, and motion for your video. Quality settings will affect your video's resolution and detail, so choose a level that suits the platform where the video will be published. Lighting settings allow you to modify the brightness and shadows, helping to create the perfect mood and atmosphere. Motion settings can add dynamism to your video, allowing you to specify how the elements in your scene interact and move. With everything set up, you're ready for the final step, generating your video. Simply hit the Generate button and let Sora 2 work its magic. The software will process your instructions and compile them into a polished video. This might take a little time depending on the complexity and quality you've chosen, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll have a beautifully rendered video in the 16 by 9 format ready for you to preview, edit further, or share. And that's it! You've successfully created a 16 by 9 video in Sora 2. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to produce high-quality videos effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy video making!